Good afternoon, this is Keith, and welcome back. We're going to continue on building our one-page website, our gym template, and we're going to start working on this second panel right here of the website. So in the next few videos, we'll be working on creating this panel that you see here. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard. Go ahead and open up your website. And I'm already in mine. So all I do is to add a new panel is let's open up the left-hand navigation or right-hand navigation, and let's go to panels. We're going to select this tab, add, and we're going to add a blank panel. And it says panel created, so let's scroll down here. Okay, it automatically creates a text box, so let's go ahead and delete that. And now let's go over to our finished website, and I'm gonna get the color of this background and also the size. So let's select the panel, and the size is going to be, looks like 887 is the height. And let's see the background settings of this. It's a solid color, and the hex is, looks like 181, A is in apple, 1B. Go ahead and do that. Let's go over here. I'm going to select the panel. Okay, so we went ahead and did that. Let's go back to our finished site, and now let's go ahead and add this. So what's included here is a box element, then two different text elements. So let's go ahead and add in the box element, and let's see what the dimensions are. Let's go ahead and select this, and scroll up. The size is, looks like 433 by 132. And of course the color is going to be transparent. And I know that because we got two different scroll settings here, and the bottom one's all the way over to the left, so it's going to be a transparent one, so it'll just see through to the panel background color. So let's go back here. Size again is 433 by 132. We're going to select the panel, come over here to the top right, add element, and it's going to be a box. And let's see, I'm going to edit this. Okay. And let's change the color background settings, and it's going to be transparent. So I'm going to drag this scroll settings all the way over to the left. And as you can see, it just made it transparent. Okay, I'm going to click on Save. Let's go back over here. Now let's get these text elements here. So I'm just going to select it, double click on it. I'm going to copy the text. Okay. It's set it as a neutral paragraph. The font family is MULI. Looks like the font size is 16 and the line height is set at 1.4. So let's go back over here. Scroll up here to the top. We're going to add in a text element. Double click on the text element. Highlight this. I'm going to copy in the text. And we're going to change the heading to a neutral paragraph. Font family. And the text is going to be white. Okay. Okay, let's add in the next text element. Let's go over here to the finished product and let's double click on this text element. We're going to copy the text and it's a neutral paragraph. The font family is MULI black. Text size or font size is 60 and the line height is set at 1 point. Let's go back over here. Let's double click on the text element, highlight it. I'm going to left justify it to neutral paragraph. Font family. Okay, now let's see what the color is. This looks like it's white. And the selected color is 8, F as in Frank, 5, 5, F as in Frank, 5. Double click this, highlight it. The font color is going to be white on that. I'm going to highlight the gym part, and the font color is going to be set to that. Okay. Okay, let's go over here. I'm going to move this box down. I selected the box and I'm just moving it down slightly with the down arrow. And I'm going to adjust the let's go back over here. Okay, let's save this. Okay, on the next video, we're going to continue on building out this panel. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video, and thank you for your patience on this. I know some of these videos might get kind of long, and but it takes time to build these things out. And remember, you're building up a valuable skill set by watching these video tutorials and learning how to build out this one-page website. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.